What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Temari Demon from Demon Slayer. I think, what's her real name? Susamaru from Demon Slayer. So, season 1, I think. Landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. And her head's kind of off to the side to fit the circular ball here. So, center point here, go over to the right, maybe like above halfway a little bit for the eyes. So, curve. Like that. And so like lots of eyelashes and stuff in Demon Slayer, right? So and quite thick eyelashes as well. You have that kind of shape and just color it in black. So she's smiling, so her bottom eyelashes, they kind of like curve up, right? So it's kind of like a curved up line because she's got a big smile, right? Big evil smile. And this can be a thick line as well. And then some eyelashes kind of just sticking down from that, these little sort of spikes. And then our iris, curved lines there to there. Now she has weird, interesting eyes. There's no pupil. Well, it's like a demon slit, like a long slit, like right here. Okay, and then it's not drawn in with black line, right? But there's like a white highlight going that way. It's like a rectangle. So I won't draw it in because it's not actually drawn in with lines. It's just done with color. So it's like orange and then a white stripe coming across it. So you could do that with color or shade. So then her top eyelid line. So I could draw it in, but I don't think it'll look right. So top eyelid line just coming across there. And then her eyebrow. Quite a high angle eyebrow. Kind of gets skinnier as it goes back. I think they're just black, so I'll color them black. Other eye, just over this side, curved line again. You're about 3/4 of an eye, so I'd say like from here to the edge of her iris is about your distance, because Demon Slayer, you're not in proportion with the eyes, because these eyes are bigger than standard eyes. So I'd say from like this part of her eyelash there to the edge of our iris would be your distance between the eyes, just if you were wondering. About proportion. Curved line again, and you add some spiky eyelash stuff. Then bottom eyelid line kind of curved up, thick dark section, and then it kind of has these spikes on them. And then we have her iris, just a curved line on both sides, joining sort of the bottom and top eyelid, and then that reptile-like or cat-like thin eye slit. And then we've got her eyelid line just above, kind of broken line like that. And then her eyebrow, big arched eyebrow coming up here. They don't have to be exactly the same on both sides as well. So see, they're kind of like different each side. And that's okay. Nose line. And then in Demon Slayer, all they do for like the tip of the nose is like this kind of a thing. And then a nostril there. And then like a couple of little sort of hatching lines on the bridge of the nose like that. So she's got a big old smile. So right, so just kind of flat there, but it kind of like dimples up. Kind of creepy. And then the bottom lip, because her mouth is open, just comes around this way, up to there. And we have some sharp fangs, so kind of here, here, and then it comes across like so, and a shadow in the corner of the mouth. And then we've got that Demon Slayer like triangle sort of shadow on the chin. And then the chin itself, real sort of pointy there. So she's got like lots of hair and stuff, so it blocks much of her face on either side. But say like the jaw goes like off that way, and then her jaw on this side kind of curves more gradual up there. Right? And then she has hair. Spikes down across the face that way, and also on this side, so it's like her face is framed in by the hair. And then a big fringe that comes along here, so like just loads of these sort of hair spikes coming across her forehead. Maybe like one or two just here as well. Right, so then this short, it's kind of short spiky hair here, and then goes around her head, right? So there's a couple of layers to this actually. So this is the first layer, right? And this seems to be like a side part. And then the next one comes out from behind her shoulder, so I guess we gotta draw that sort of her shoulder line just there. And then next layer of hair spikes going this way, and then curves up her head. Okay, and there's like a red section here. We'll just do it over this side. So and then the bit that comes out from behind her shoulder there, but that shoulder disappears behind the ball, right? Like so, and I think it just joins together with a big round sort of circular line, right? So it goes like that. And then she seems to have like these earrings sort of just hanging down here. Right, so then her neck has got this V-like closed off section that way. I think we can see some of the back of her neck just there. There's a bit of a shadow underneath the chin. Demon Slayer style. Black shadow. Right, kimono. So done that way. There's like an orange part. Crisscrossing always the other parts. And then this section has like black lines on it. So just like curving. There. And then there's like some clothing lines or stuff here. Here. Coming across her arm. Okay, so this ball just kind of sitting in her hand. So we'll just do, there's like 4 fingers here. We'll just do the tips of them kind of curving. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is like our hand. The ball comes out from there. So we'll just get these fingers in what we can see of them, just these lines like this. Just so we know where to draw the circle of the ball from. I guess it's like a hand or something there. And you'll have like fingernails. So this ball then like skirts around these fingers, right? So it's like here. And so like a plate again, or like a stencil or something would be helpful, but I'll just sort of mark it out. That's the top, right? And you just sort of sketch around as loosely as you can first if you're doing a freehand. So like it should be something like that. Okay, and then try and smooth this up. It's quite a thick line in the show. Okay, basically that kind of a shape. A circle. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle. Right, and then there's all patterns and designs inside. I'll simplify them a little bit for everyone. But we get in whatever we can. See. That way. Okay. Now, so you can go as complicated with this as you want. You could try and copy the show completely, or you could go just the diamonds and the triangles. I'll do something maybe in between a little bit. So say there's like diamonds here. Right, and the next lot. Right, and then there's like triangles or something here touching the base of each sort of diamond shape. And then another layer coming around the front. Right, and then there's more stuff all inside there, but I won't do that. That'll take ages. So feel free, if you're like a stickler for detail, to work away on that. That's it. Temari Demon from Demon Slayer. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.